Check it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Mike is live. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put a fight together like this again. Who's first? Step up, don't be shy. They call me Muffet and I'm here to say I was having a chill, nutritional day. My curds and whey were tasting real nice until a spider popped up, not once but twice. He didn't mean no harm, I suppose, but he freaked my flow out and struck a pose. I had to jet, had to leave my snack. That's the real story and I won't take it back. Peace. Yo, Humpty, you're up. Tell him the truth.
Humpty Dumpty, names known far and wide. Yeah, I took a great fall, I won't even lie. But y'all focus on the end, not the glory. I had the best seat in town, top of the wall story. The view was epic, I felt like a king till my balance dipped. And I felt the swing, all the horses, the men, they did their best. But some cracks show the strength you possess. I'm glued together, but my spirit's not broken. Now my story's a lesson that must be spoken. Hey, Bo Peep, your turn, don't sleep.
Little Peep, yeah, I lost my sheep. But hold up, wait, don't make that face. Losing something don't mean you lose the race. I didn't cry, I didn't weep, I kept my cool. Cause I know the rules, they're just playing the fool. I let them roam free, let them have their fun. Their tails will come with them, every single one. You can't force a thing, you gotta let it be. That's how they all came home, right back to me. That's leadership, see? A lesson for you. Now, who's next in the crew? Yeah, that's how we do. Word up, tell your story, respect.